Does buying a home here in Wake County feel overwhelming at times? We understand the feeling. So to simplify finding and selecting your next home, follow the link to get our home buying criteria checklist. Establishing and writing down exactly what you want in your next home, like the features and location, will clarify your choice, so when you spot a potential match on Zillow, you can double check your criteria and confidently proceed with a walkthrough and an appealing offer. Our home buying criteria checklist simplifies all that. So click the blue button. We also have a self-home inspection checklist to help you spot potential repair issues during your walkthrough. Because while you don't need to be a professional, you do need to know what you're looking for, or else it could mean you could end up haggling over repairs with the seller or have your deal fall through. So click to get those two checklists and find all our tools like our YouTube channel and our buyer expedited viewing plan on the buyer tab of our website. Thanks for watching, and prepare to buy your next home like a pro.